What's better than getting a brand new boat? Getting a brand new boat and having a champagne toast with all your friends on it. In this episode, we're going to introduce you to Salty Buns 2, Jim and Brandy's brand new Sportsman 252, and we're going to show you the boat and we're going to tell you how it rides. Thanks for watching, everyone. Cheers. That is our friend's brand new boat. That is a 25-foot Sportsman 2025. This is their first official day out on it. 350 Yamaha, double power poles. Beautiful, beautiful boat. What better place to bring it than Cayo Costa? So this is Salty Buns number 1. This was their old boat, and the new boat is Salty Buns 2, and their friends bought their old boat, so Salty Buns 1 stays in the friend family of the Salty crew gang. Salty Buns 2, right there. 25-foot Sportsman.
Yeah, 25-foot Sportsman, 350 engine, 2 power poles, and a partridge and a pear tree.
So does that mean we need a 27-foot game fish?
No, it doesn't need to be competition.
No, it doesn't.
We got their sticker game started. I'm honored. We are the first sticker game. And they have a toilet! It's amazing!
Thank you so much for the champagne, Mary.
Of course. All right, Jim and Brandy, we are super stoked that you guys have a new boat. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Another Sportsman. So tell us why you like the Sportsman boat and what made you change from the 23-foot to the 25-foot and what's different from both.
So the 23 was a 2022 model year. We fell in love with the brand, just the ride quality, the craftsmanship of that size boat for what we paid for it. We fell in love. So when it was time to upgrade, you always have that foot-itis thing, right?
Yeah.
Fast forward 4 years later, and they came out with the 252 Open, or well, they've always made it, but they redesigned it. We love the features. It's about 1,000 pounds heavier. It's wider, it's longer, it's just a bigger boat, so it handles.
So far on the day one of the ride, it did very good.
Yeah,
Good.
It handles the rough water really a lot better than the other one.
Nice. And it has a toilet.
And
It
has
does.
a toilet.
Like, you gotta have those toilets.
Super important.
So, cheers, guys. I'm so
Cheers.
happy for you. It fills up pretty quick.
Get that. Yeah.
Well, it's called a hose, and you hose it off.
Yep.
It's no big deal.
We got like stemware and shit here.
I feel bad because it's plastic. It's plastic and it's going.
I said, damn it!
Oh, I thought you were gonna let Gavin do that one.
He didn't want to. There you go, Brent. Gracias.
Wait, is it a video or a picture? It's a video.
Oh shit!
It's a silent video now.
So we got 2 celebrations. Congratulations to Brandy and Jim on your new boats. And then we got Rob and Meredith, who have a new boat thanks to
Brandy.
yeah, they have Salty Buns 1 now, which they'll rename. And we got Salty Buns 2.
Oh,
Is that the crack one?
get it.
Champagne toast.
Get the happy hour flag. Because it's happy hour.
Wait. Throw that one there.
Can we do the cheers? Is it that time? Come on, Mary.
We'll take it.
paint on this boat one way or another.
It's a pretty.
Get ready. Wait, we have to say a toast.
Congratulations on another amazing step in your life.
Cheers!
Beautiful ride.
And to
To the best of friends.
We're so happy for you guys.
Giddy up.
And there's still more.
So good. Brian is making a turtle
It's all good.
No. There's a
out of
crack in one of the glasses. So if you have a towel.
the champagne topper thing.
There we go. There. That's what I was looking for. Yeah.
Oh no. It's amazing. It's a little turtle. Woo, congratulations on your new boat.
Thank you. Beer 30 now.
Cheers.
Cheers.
What's happening over here?
Breathing underwater. It was another amazing sandbar day there on Cayo Costa. It is just impossible to have a bad time on that island. But we wanted to tell you a little bit more about the Sportsman. Jim and Brandy actually invited us out the weekend after, and we took it up to Stump Pass and Boca Grande Sandbar. And to tell you that it rode a little bit better than Crystal Blue is an understatement. We absolutely love our 23-foot Sea Hunt, but we do think this 25-foot Sportsman, being 1,000 pounds heavier or 2 feet longer, it definitely handled quite a bit better than our 23-foot Sea Hunt. This Sportsman also has the Seakeeper trim tabs. I got to steer the boat a little bit and see how it handled with those trim tabs. It was pretty awesome and a smooth ride. If you guys have any questions about the boat, definitely leave a comment and I will be sure to answer them or pass them off to Jim. Thanks, guys. And that's a wrap, everyone. Thanks again for watching. We really appreciate it. If you want to support the channel and love boating around Southwest Florida, you can do it for free. Just hit that subscribe button and we would really appreciate it. And be sure to check out next week's episode. We're going to do a dock and dine video at the Lighthouse Bar and Restaurant at Port Sanibel on the way to Sanibel Island. It's a really cool restaurant and we think you're going to like it. Thanks again, everyone. Cheers.